Good morning, guys. Good morning, online and offline. Online, guys, my voice is clear. Am I audible? Online, guys, my voice is clear. Am I audible? Okay. All right. Okay, guys. Guys, yesterday we discussed encapsulation and polymorphism. Yesterday we discussed encapsulation and polymorphism. The encapsulation is nothing but binding the data. What is the meaning of binding the data? If you want to store any student information, place corresponding data, we need to store within single unit. That is we call encapsulation. The student information is the confidential. So we need to declare before the student information private. If you want to declare private key inside of the code, only we are able to access within the class. The next one, if you want to set the name to student, we need to use setter method. If you want to verify the name is set or not. If you want to verify, we need to use getter method. We need to use getter method. See, you guys are observed clearly. In this encapsulation, we are able to use this keyword. If you guys are use this keyword, we are able to call within the class variable. Within the class variable. Okay. You guys are able to complete two methods. Completed or not? Actually, yesterday I said student ID, name, section, batch. Okay. Section batch is pending. You guys are completed or not? Completed? Yes or no? No. Why? You people are not understand? Yes, guys, tell me. I was explained clearly, step by step. You guys are able to understand? But why you people are unable to create? Yes, do in this time. Batch and section. You need to set the batch, you need to get the batch. You need to set the section, you need to get the section. If you want to set the batch, how you guys are able to write the method? Public void set public wide set batch. Okay. And anything is required? Okay, great. Anything is required, boys? Huh? Public wide set batch. Okay, fine. Anything is required inside of the method? Boys, parameter is required. String or into set string or into, okay? Into batches. That is the parameter you need to pass inside of the method type 3. Inside of the method this dot student batch equal to whatever you provide parameter batches you need to declare. See guys, if I provide any task, you guys are need to complete. Okay. If I provide any task, you guys are need to complete. That is very important. See, public wide set batch you need to provide into batches. Already batch is there, so I provided batches, and this dot student batch equal to batches. This is I need to set the batch. The next one, get the batch. If I want to get the batch, public into get batch, you guys are call return stu underscore batch, same like you need to cover section also. Yes, tell me how you guys are able to write the section. Public wide set section into section. Okay, inside of the method this dot student batch equal to section. Okay, next method set is completed, get public yes, public into get section. Okay, inside of the method what is the implementation? Return variable name. Okay, that's it. Is it clear or not? Online and offline, do you have any doubt? Great. Surya, I shared already okay, done. The next one, what is the next one? The last one? Yeah. Any idea about the abstraction? What is the abstraction? Do you have any idea? Yeah, end up the Vamsi before close the session, the time. Tell me, I will explain. Okay. What is the abstraction? Yes. The abstraction is nothing but hiding the implementation, showing the functionality. The abstraction is nothing but hiding the implementation, showing the functionality. Tell me one best example. Tell me one best example. See, the abstraction is nothing but, listen carefully, hiding the implementation but showing the functionality. Tell me one best example. Okay. Car start. You guys start the car. You don't know implementation, but it will be start. Once you guys are change the gear, automatically you are able to move. Hiding implementation, but showing functionality. Okay. Charting. If you guys are send a message, the receiver able to receive your message, but sender receiver between hiding the implementation, but showing the functionality. Is it clear? Clear or not? Okay, done. Yeah. What is the abstraction is clear. If you want to create the abstract method inside of the class, if you want to create the abstract methods inside of the class, must and should we need to declare before the class abstract. Listen carefully. If you want to declare abstract method inside of the class, must and should we need to declare before the class abstract. The abstraction is nothing but that is not a fully implemented. That is not, the abstract method is nothing but that is not a fully implemented. We need to implement partially. Where you guys are implement, you need to implement same abstract method in different classes. Same abstract method in different classes. If you want to execute the abstract method, we need to create the object for child class. The abstract method, we are unable to create the object for the class. Object for the class. I will repeat one more time. Yes, Surya, correct. Yeah. Abstraction is nothing but hiding the implementation, showing the functionality. Is it clear? The best example, car starting, messages, ATM mission. Okay. The next one, if you want to create a abstract methods inside of the class, must and should before the class, we need to declare the abstract key. That is the rule. That is the rule. Next point. The abstract method, we are unable to implement, but we are able to implement partially. The abstract method, we are unable to fully, we are unable to implement, but we are able to implement partially. Next point, where we are able to implement, If you want to implement any abstract method, we need to implement inside of the child class. We need to implement inside of the child class. Next point. If you want to execute the abstract method, must and should you need to create the object for the child class, not a abstract class. Why? Because the abstract class does not allow the object for the class. Is it clear? Shall I repeat? Online guys, shall I repeat? No. Online guys, I need to cross check with the offline and online, both. Yeah. Okay. Okay. I will explain one more time, boys, offline guys. Abstract is nothing but hiding the implementation, showing the functionality. Is it clear? First step? Yeah. Second step, if you want to declare abstract method inside of the class, must and should you need to declare before the class abstract key. That is mandatory. The next step, the abstract methods we are not implemented fully, but we are implemented partially. Next step, where we are able to implement partially. If you want to implement partially, we need to implement inside of the child class. We need to implement inside of the child class. The next step, if you want to execute the abstract class, we need to create the object for the child class. The abstract class does not allow the object for the class. Is it clear? Note, if you want to write the abstract class in your package, within the project in your package, you need to use different name in abstract method. If you want to use any name, already you people are using that name inside of this package, the abstract is not executed. Is it clear? Okay, you guys are provide different name. Is it clear or not? Now I will create the abstract class. Code wise I will explain one more time. You guys are listen carefully. Okay. Just I want to click on public static void main, click on the finish. Just I want to click on public static void main, click on finish. I need to create the class. I need to create the class. The class name is the something. Okay. And inside of the class, I need to create this is the method. And I need to use KK is one software. KK is one software, that is resource software, HR software. I need to use one more name. Okay. Just I need to use the one name. See guys, you need to declare the abstract methods inside of the class. Clear? If you want to provide abstract methods inside of the class, must and should we need to declare before the class abstract. See, I put the cursor. I got a two warning. The first one, remove abstract modifier. The second one, make a type of Simhapuri abstract. Make a type of Simhapuri abstract. See, now I need to choose the second option. If you want to declare the abstract methods inside of the class, must and should you need to declare the abstract keyword before the class. Is it clear? Okay. See, this is not, the abstract method is not fully implemented. This is not a fully implementation. I want to implement partially. Where I need to implement partially? In child class. Okay. Child class. Just I need to use child class. See, I need to public void keka. This is one method. Public void rathod. This is one method. See, this is not a fully implementation. We need to implement partially inside of child class. Is it clear or not? Any doubt? Do you have any doubt? Is it clear or not? Online and offline? Okay, yeah. We need to provide the data system.out.println. You can declare here system.out.println. You can declare here okay. Is it clear or not? You guys are able to understand or not? Huh? No? Shall I repeat? Yes. Yes or no? Please tell me. Huh? Yeah, that is I am expecting. See what I'm saying, abstraction is nothing but a hiding the implementation, showing the function. This is the fifth time. Okay, hiding the implementation, showing the functionality. Is it clear? Second step, if you want to declare the abstract methods, must and should before the class, we need to declare abstract. That is clear? Next step, the abstract method is not fully implemented. We need to implement partially. Next step, this is not a fully implemented. We need to implement partially. Okay. Next step, where we can implement partially, we need to implement inside of the child class. Okay. This is the same method name. This is the same method name. Okay. Partially I need to implement inside of the child class. Clear? Is it clear or not? Yeah. Listen, if you want to create the object for the class, we need to create object for the class inside of the main method child class only. Child class only. The abstract method, the abstract class, we are unable to create the object for the class. The abstract method, the abstract class, we are unable to create the object for the class. The abstract method, we are unable to create the object for the class. What is there? Cannot initiate the type of Simhapuri. Only we are able to create object for child class. Extends. That's it. Is it clear or not? Okay. What I was explaining theoretically, as it is, I mentioned here, I was explaining every step. In these steps, you people are unable to understand. Please tell me, I will explain one more time. You guys are able to understand or not? Huh? 18th line. This is the main class. This is the main class. Okay. If I want to remove, clear? If I obj dot the first one kk, obj dot the next one rato. Clear? Right click, run as. Is it clear or not? Main class. You guys are able to provide inside of the main class, or else you need to create the different classes within the package. That is your wish. Only we are unable to get here. We are able to get run configuration. We are unable to get Java application. So something is missed here. See, you guys are able to write here. You guys are able to write here this methods also. Got it or not? You people are able to understand? Here inside of this class also, you people are able to write the abstract method also. Okay. Second point, you guys are able to remove the public. You need to provide the abstract. That is also possible. Just I show you how to do the within the main class, how to write the classes. The last time someone is asking, we are able to write the multiple classes. We are able to write the multiple classes or not within the package. Yes, it is able. We are able to write number of classes within the package. Is it clear or not? Clear or not? Not clear? Clear or not? See, you guys are observe. Some people are getting, yeah. See, here also what I'm saying, public, abstract, okay, void, method, okay. See, I put the cursor. What happened? What we are getting in before, make a abstract or remove the abstract modifier. Is it clear? See, what I did, I was not using main class. Clear? I was not using main class. I was using different classes. If you guys are able to use main class also, you need to provide the data inside of the main class. You need to provide the data inside of the main class. See, that is the one process. Without main class, you no need to provide any implementation inside of the main class. You guys are able to provide the implementation only within the new classes. That is also next option. Is it clear or not? Now it is clear. Now I will execute this one. See, we are able to get here Java application. Okay. Is it clear or not? We are expecting apps 11, apps 12. Okay. Partially, we are not implemented fully. We are implemented partially inside of child class. This is we call abstract. This is we call OOPS concept. Clear, everybody? Yes, write down the notes. What is the heading? Last one. Encapsulation. Yes, put the heading. Encapsulation. Theoretically is completed. Oh, super. Yeah, abstraction. Abstraction. Yes, write down. The abstraction is nothing but the abstraction is nothing but hiding the implementation. The abstraction is nothing but hiding the implementation, showing the functionality, showing the functionality. Example: start the car, and withdraw the amount from mission, withdraw the amount from ATM mission. Okay, and chit chat. Yeah, chit chat. Okay, next line. If you want to declare abstract method, if you want to declare abstract method inside of the class, if you want to declare abstract method inside of the class, must and should, we need to declare the abstract key. Must and should, we need to declare the abstract key before the class. Must and should, we need to declare the abstract key before the class. Next line. The abstract methods not fully implemented. The abstract method not fully implemented. Okay, full stop. Next line. We need to implement partially. We need to implement partially inside of where? Child class. We need to implement partially inside of child class. Is it clear? Yeah. The next one. If you want to create the object for the class, if you want to create the object for the class, if you want to create the object for the class, Only we are able to create child class. Only we are able to create child class. Okay. The abstract class, next line. The abstract class does not allow the object for class. The abstract class does not allow the object for class. Take the screenshot. Any code is pending yesterday? Encapsulation. Yeah. 1 minute. I will show you encapsulation. Yeah. Now you guys take the screenshot. After that, I will do. Done now? Done now? Yeah, the next one, abstraction. Done now? Paika. Done? Boys. బాధలు పడలేక. Done? Okay. The next concept. The next concept, length and length. Length and length. Length comma length. Okay. See here. 11 or 9. Yeah. Length. Length. Without bracket length, with bracket length. Without bracket length, with bracket length. Length and length. Do you have any idea about this one? Okay, listen. First of all, we need to discuss about without bracket length. Without bracket length. Yeah. The length is final variable. Listen, listen. The length is final variable. This is applicable into array. If you want to get the size of the array, we need to use length without brackets. I will repeat one more time. The length is final variable. Final variable. This is applicable. This is applicable into array. If you want to get the size of the array, we need to use without bracket length. Is it clear or not? Clear or not? Shall I repeat? Very good. The next one, with the bracket length. The length is final method. That is final. This is final method. This is applicable. This is applicable string array. That is applicable int array. By using this length, we are able to count the number of characters. By using that length, we are able to get the size. By using this length, we are able to count the number of characters. Is it clear or not? Length is different, size is different. Length is different, size is different. Length represent count the get the length. For example, 10 numbers is there, 10 it will be print. Size, see, if you want to verify on the web page how many elements is appear, you need to provide size. Depends on the code flexibility. Okay, I will show you length and size also. Is it clear or not? What is the difference between the length and length? What is the first without bracket length? The first point, the length is next point. Yes, this is applicable only into array. The next point, by using length, we are able to get the size of the array. Yeah, next point, with the bracket length, final method. Second point, very good. Third point, come again. Yeah, if you want to provide the any string, you are able to get that string number of characters. ANIL. How many characters? ANIL 4 by using string length. Is it clear? Yeah. I will show you the code. Just I want to click on the public static void main, click on the finish. See, you guys are observed clearly here. First, I want to store into A equal to okay, clear? Is it clear or not? Okay. I stored the some values inside of the array is nothing but a container or one storage place. Okay. Yeah. And after that, what I need to do? If I want to print, if I want to get the size of the array, I need to create into C equal to A dot length with bracket or without bracket? Without bracket. And if I want to print system dot out dot println, we need to call the size of array. The size of array we need to call here arc. Right click on here. Total how many characters? 9. The size is 9. Is it clear? You guys are able to understand? The next one. Is it clear or not? First code. Able to understand first code? Yeah. String name equals to automation. Okay. Into count equal to name dot with bracket or without bracket? With bracket. System dot in system dot out dot println the number of char is we need to provide count. We need to provide count. The number of characters is we need to provide count. Now I will execute what we are expecting here. We got count. The number of character is the 10 characters. Total 10 characters. Okay. I will give one query. You guys are able to write the code. Not only one string, you guys are able to store 5 strings. Like don't do string name 1, name 2, name 2. Don't do like that. 5 names you need to store, get the size and get the specific string size. Got it what I'm saying? 5 names you need to store in string array, get the complete size. Next point, get the specific string size, specific string characters. You're able to understand or not? For example, Java, Selenium, Python, C# is there. These 4 names you need to store inside of the string array. I want to get Selenium. I want to get Selenium number of characters. Yes, this is write down. 5 minutes I will provide. You guys are write down. Got it? My question is clear. Yeah, how you guys are able to store the 4 names? Yes, we need to store the 4 names within the curly braces. Okay? Yes, do. Try to write. Every time I will write, but you guys also try to do. You are able to understand? Clear? 4 names you need to store inside of string array. Okay, with the curly braces, what I was stored numbers in before, same like that. I was stored numbers 1 2 3 4 something within the curly braces. Okay, see, first you need to get the whole size. Total we are expecting 4. Next you need to get the specific Selenium characters. Okay, total 4 steps. Total 4 steps. With include public static void main, include class, total 6 steps. Online guys, you guys are type it in chat box. Okay, Surya, but how you can get the complete size? How you can get the complete size? Not required looping. You did? Done now? First, you need to store 4 names inside of string array. Done now? Next, you need to get the size, not length. Okay, size by using length method. Get the size by using length method. Next step, system.out.println. You need to print the size of the string array. The next step, we need to get the specific data characters. Clear? You completed or not? Online? Okay, Jagdish. Good. You. This is only able to print total size without this bracket. Okay. This bracket is not required. Only we need to print how much you stored inside of the string array. I'm talking about your specific Python is there how to print the number of characters. String. Okay. Name dot string. Yeah, only same. Only the size will be print. Only the size will be print. I'm talking about If you want to print Python, how many characters you need to print like that. Okay. Done. Boys. First bench. Boys. Second. Third. Yeah, that is correct. Only we are able to print that size. Only size. See on the board. And into C equal to name dot length. Okay. Without bracket length. System dot out dot println the size of string is, we need to call here C. Everyone able to write up to now. What I'm saying, total 6 or 7 steps. 6 steps I said. 1 class, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th step. System dot out dot println. Okay. The name of character is, name square bracket. Yeah, if I want to get the Python, you need to provide 1. That's it. Is it clear? Okay. Yeah, you can observe. Actually, this is not my expected. This is not my expected. I want to display 5 number. So name dot 1. Why I need to provide the 1 here, boys? Huh? Boys. Array index start with 0 and with n minus 1. Just you need to provide length, bracket length. Just we need to provide bracket length. See, 6. The characters is 6, not 5. 6 characters. Okay. This is we call how to print how to get the size and how to get the a specific string characters. Is it clear or not? What I'm saying, this length is represent get the size of array. This length is represent count the characters. Count the characters. Is it clear or not? Yes, write down. Write down. Difference between length comma length. Difference between length comma length. Okay. Write down. Yeah. First heading length without bracket length. First heading without bracket length. Okay, na? Yeah. Write down. The length is final variable. The length is final variable. The length is final variable. Next line. The length applicable only for the length is applicable only for int array. The length is applicable only for int array. Next line. By using length, by using length, we are able to get the array size. We are able to get the array size. The next one, put the heading length brackets. Length brackets. Yeah. This is, what is that one? The length is final method. The length is final method. The next stuff. This is applicable only string array. This is applicable only string array. Next up, by using this length, what next? By using this length, we are able to get the number of characters. We are able to get the number of characters. Is it clear? Okay. Yeah, you guys take the first length. Theoretically important length. Okay. What is the difference between the length and the length, they will ask. Okay. The time you guys are explained clearly. Some people are asking, what is the difference between length without bracket with the bracket in that code? They will ask. The time your explanation, if we want to declare the without bracket length, we are able to get the size. Okay, the array size. If you want to provide the length with the bracket, the length will be count the string characters. You can explain clearly. Okay. Yeah, you guys take the code. Second one. Okay. You guys take the code. Next one. Done. Second. Completed. Okay. Done, guys. The next heading. The next heading. Hash map in Java. Hash map. Hash map. HASHMAP. H capital letter, M capital letter. Hash map in Java. Do you have any idea about the hash map? Hash map in Java. Okay, listen. This is the one of the concept in collection. Okay. This is the one of the concept in collection. Is it clear? First step. Second step. The hash map is nothing but collection of keys and values. The hash map is nothing but collection of keys and value. What is the key? The key is nothing but a data. What is the value? That is an integer, some values. The hash map is nothing but collection of key plus value. Key is nothing but data. Value is nothing but an integer, some values. If you want to store any data or value in hash map, if you want to store any data or value in hash map, we need to use put method. Put method. If you want to get the data from hash map, if you want to get the data from hash map, we need to use get method. The hash map allows null values and null keys. The hash map allows null values and null keys. If you want to store the data in hash map, if you want to store the data in hash map, whatever you stored, if you want to get the data, whatever you stored, if you want to get the data will be reflected unordered collection. The data will be reflected unordered collection. There is no specific order. For example, Java, Python, Selenium, automation. Java, Python, Selenium, automation. This is my order. I stored. If I want to get the data, there is no specific order. First Selenium, last Java. There is no specific order. Is it clear or not? Hash map in Java. The first point. This is the one of the concept in collection in Java. Second point, if you want to the hash map, second point, the hash map is nothing but collection of key plus value. What is the key? Data. What is the value? Value, integer. Okay, clear? The third point, if you want to store the data inside of the hash map, we need to use put method. Next point, if you want to get the data from hash map, we need to use get method. Clear? The hash map allow null value, null case. The hash map, there is no specific order. There is no specific order. This is unordered collection. This is unordered collection. The next point, the hash map does not allow the primitive data type. The hash map does not allow the primitive data type. The hash map allows wrapper classes. The hash map allows wrapper classes. You know wrapper class? WRAPPR, wrapper. Wrapper class. Okay? Wrapper class means you need to write the complete data type like this. This is the wrapper class. What is the primitive data type? This is the primitive data type. Okay? The hash map does not allow the primitive data type. The hash map allow wrapper classes. What is the wrapper class? I will tell you. Is it clear or not? Everybody able to understand what is the hash map? What is the first point? Yes, second point. Very good. Third point. We need to use put method. Yeah, fourth point. Very good. Get method. Fifth, next point. Null keys and null values. Very good. Next point. The hash map does not allow the primitive data type. Okay. Only able to accept wrapper class. Okay. Next point. There is no, yes, specific order in hash map. There is no specific order in hash map. Is it clear? Clear? Yeah. Syntax of the hash map. Syntax of the hash map. Syntax of the hash map. Hash map, we need to provide here character, comma, integer, object name equal to hash map, character, integer. This is the syntax of the hash map. See, this is wrapper class. Integer is the wrapper class. Integer is the wrapper class. Is it clear? Primitive to wrapper class is nothing but if you want to convert any data type primitive to object, object to primitive, that is we call a wrapper class. What is the primitive? Into. Primitive to object. What is the wrapper class? Okay. Is it clear? Okay. See, if you want to convert any data type primitive to object, object to primitive, that is we call wrapper class. That is we call wrapper class. Is it clear or not? Okay. Syntax hash map, character, integer, object name, hash map, character, integer. Basically here character, you guys are provide character. string, character, you guys are able to provide string. Okay, string is the key, integer is the string is the key, integer is the value. The hash map is nothing but collection of key and collection of value. Is it clear, everybody? Any doubt online and offline? Any doubt online and offline? Do you have any doubt? Do you have any doubt? Is it clear? Okay. Online guys, if you have any doubts, please tell me. And offline guys, we have one assignment I said last time. Okay. We have one assignment that will be conduct maybe this week. Okay. See, what I was complete before the assignment. Okay. Everything you guys are need to practice. Is it clear or not? Okay. And so many people are unable to attend regularly. Okay. But that guys are able to attend in online. Okay, fine. No problem. Unable to attend online. Same concept I will use in Selenium. The time I am unable to discuss in detail this concept there. I am unable to discuss. Why? Because there I need to discuss that Selenium concept. If I want to discuss the time also, this concept, that concept, it will be take more time. That's why I was explain clearly Java. I would like to take more than 1 month, 20 days, 15 days for only for Java. Why? Because you people are unable to understand when I call these methods in that Selenium. Is it clear? Please do practice. If you have any doubts, please reach me. Definitely I will clarify your doubts. And one more thing, online guys, I will provide one link only for online guys. While practicing the code, you guys are getting any doubt, while practicing the code, you guys are able to get any doubt, I will provide the link in Google Classroom. You need to connect the link. The mentors will resolve that issues. Okay. Morning 9 to evening 6. People are available. Morning 9 to evening 6. Lunch break. Okay. With lunch break 1 to 2 or 12 to 1. Okay. I don't have an idea. So without the time, you guys are able to connect anytime, morning 9 to evening 6. In that you people are getting any doubt, you guys are able to clarify the doubt in that call. Okay. The mentors is available. I will provide the link in Google Classroom. Okay. Maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Clear or not? Is it clear or not? You need to remove the semicolon. Who's this guy? Vamsi, you need to remove the semicolon after for loop. Okay. You need to remove the semicolon after for loop. That's why you are getting error. Thank you guys. Thank you very much. I will continue tomorrow. అవును. పాజిటివ్‌గా అది ఏంటంటే మనం ఫుల్‌గా ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేయాలి. దాన్ని ఫుల్లీ Online guys, if you have any doubt, please text me here, okay? Guys, online guys. Online guys, do you have any doubts? Any doubts, online guys? Thank you guys. Thank you very much, online and offline guys. I will continue tomorrow. Bye.